channel Knowledge of and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your 166th class of quantitative aptitude, where we had done your 165th question of the sessions. In the last class we had started with, that is quantitative aptitude. In arithmetical ability we are dealing with the time and work. In that we had completed your last as your chain rule and partnership. That what we had done. Now in today's class, we'll continue with the time and work with 69th question of the session, where we had completed your 68th question of the sessions as well. So in terms of 69th here, the question we have, before starting with this, is a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. Coming towards the question, 69th question we have is your 20 women can do a work in 16 days and 16 men can complete the same work in 15 days. So what is the ratio between the capacity of a man and a woman? The options were 3:4, 4:3, 5:3, or data inadequate. This has been asked in the BSRB examination paper, so that is of course been important one. So here we go. 20 women can do a work in 16 days. Where 16 men can complete the same work. What is the ratio between the capacity so with the same we go for it, and that is what we have to answer it out here. So that the capacity of men and a woman, this has been asked in BSRB question paper. So let's figure it out. It is the solution here. 20 into 16 women can complete the work in one day. That we will find it out. So here we go. So 1 woman 1 day work equals to 1 upon 320. So 16 into 15 men can complete the work in 1 day. One man 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 240. So required ratio equals to 1/240 ratio 1/320, which is 4:3, that we have as follows. Now we talk about for the another one, the another important question, which is being 70th question here. So 70th question that we have as follows. 10 men can complete a piece of work in 15 days and 15 women can complete the same work in 12 days. If all the 10 men and 15 women work together, in how many days will the work get completed? This has been asked in the SBI PO question paper. So we answer it out here. The options were 6, 6/1/3, 6/2/3 and 7/2/3. So here we go. Which is 10 men can complete a piece of work in 15 days. And 15 women can complete the same work. In same work in 12 days. If all the 10 men and 15 women work together, in how many days will the work get completed? Ask in SBI question paper. Let's find out. 6, 6/1/3, 6/2/3, 7/2/3. So that we have 70th question here. Let's find the solution here. So here we go. 10 men's 1 day's work equals to 1/15. 15 women 1 day's work equals to 1/12. 10 men plus 15 women's 1 day's work equals to 1/15 plus 1/12 equals to 9/60. That is equals to 3/20. So 10 men and 15 women will complete the work in 3/20, which is 6/2/3 days. Now we go for the next one. The next important question is being the 71th question of the sessions here. So we go for the same. So here we go. The question we have is being 7 men can complete a work in 12 days. They started the work and after 5 days 2 men left. In how many days will the work be completed by the remaining men? Options were 5, 6, 7, 8, and none of these. So we go for the same. 71st question. Seven men can complete a work in 12 days. They started the work and after 5 days they started the work and after 5 days two men left. In how many days will the work? In how many days will the work be completed? Completed by the remaining men. So here we go for the solution. Seven into 12 men can complete the work in 1 day. So one man's 1 day's work equals to 1/84. So 7 men's 5 days work equals to 1/12 into 5, which is equals to 5/12, and remaining work equals to 1 minus 5/12, which is equals to 7/12. And 5 men 1 day's work equals to 1/84 into 5 equals to 5/84. So 5/84 work is done by them in 1 day. So 7/12 work is done by them in 84/5 into 7/12, which is equals to 49/5 days, equals to 9455 days. That's what we have. Now we go for the another one, which is being the 72th question of the session, and here we go. 72th question of the session. The question is, 12 men complete a work in 9 days after they have worked for 6 days. 6 more men join them. How many days will they take to complete the remaining work? The options were 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and 5 days. None of these. This has been asked in RRB examination paper, and that has been important one. So let's go for the same. 12 men complete a work . 12 complete a work in 9 days. After they have worked for 6 days, so 12 men here that we have to talk about it. 12 men complete a work in 9 days after they, you know, that after they have worked for 6 days. Then accordingly 6 more men join them. 6 more men join them. How many days will they take? How many days will they take to complete the remaining work? That is we have, and that this has been asked in RRB, and the options for the same we have is 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, and none of these. So we go for the same. Here we go. One man's 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 108. 12 men's 6 days work equals to 1 upon 9 into 6. 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9, that is 2 by 3. Remaining work equals to 1 minus 2 by 3 equals to 1 by 3. 18 men's 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 108 into 18. 6. It is 1 upon 6. So 1 upon 6 work is done by them in 1 day. So 1 by 3 work is done by them in 6 into 1 by 3. What even the 3 2s are 6, which is equals to 2 days. Now we go for the next one, which is of course being important one, and that has been the another important question here. It's your 73rd question. So the question we have as follows: 3 men, 4 women, and 6 children can complete a work in 7 days. A woman does double the work a man does, and a child does half of the work a man does. So how many women alone can complete this work in 7 days? Options were SBI PO question paper, this has been asked. So, and that is options are 7, 8, 12 cannot be determined, or none of these. So we go for the same and we'll have to find it out. 3 men, 4 women, and 6 children can complete a work in 7 days? A woman does double the work. A man does. And a child does half of the work a man does. How many women alone can complete the work in 7 days? This has been asked in SBI PO question paper. For the same, we have your options here. 7, 8, 12 cannot be determined, and none of these. So we go for the same. Let one day's work equals to X. Then one man's 1 day's work equals to X by 2, and one child 1 day's work equals to X by 4. So 3x upon 2 plus 4x plus 6x upon 4 equals to 1 upon 7. 28x upon 4 equals to 1 upon 7. That is equals to x equals to 1 upon 7 into 4 upon 28. 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28. It will be 7 threes are 49. So 1 upon 49. One woman alone can complete the work in 49 days. One woman alone can complete the work in 49 days. So to complete the work in 7 days, number of women required (49 by 7). 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49. It will be 7. So the answer I'll get here is 7. Now we go for the next one, which is being deemed another important question, and that is of course being an important one, and that is your 74th question of the session. And the question we have as follows: a man and a woman and a boy can complete a job in 3, 4 and 12 days respectively. How many boys must assist a one man and a one woman to complete the job in 1/4 of the day? The options were 1, 4, 19 and 41. This has been asked in SSC examination paper, which has been important one. So we'll go for the same. So here we go. Can complete a job in 1/4 of can complete a job in 3, 4 and 12 days respectively. How many boys must assist one man and one woman to complete the job in 1/4 of a day? This has been asked in SSC examination paper, and the options were 1, 4, 19 and 41. So here we go for the same. One man plus one woman one day's work equals to 1/3 plus 1/4 equals to 7/12. Work done by one man and one woman in 1/4 day is to 7/12 into 1/4, which is equals to 7/48. Remaining work equals to 1 minus 7/48, which will be 41/48. Work done by one boy in 1/4 day equals to 1/12 into 1/4. 12 fours are 148. Number of boys required equals to 41/48 into 48. 48 cancel, 41. So here we're gonna end up with this only, and we'll discuss the rest of the question in the next coming class, which is of course being important one, and we'll discuss continuing about 75th question of the session in your 167th class of the session as well. But before ending it up, we had done your reasoning, wherein that we had done your verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning, and we are dealing with the chemistry part 1 we had done, and part 2 we are dealing here. Physics part 1 we are going dealing here as well. We are dealing with the CPNST, we are dealing with ER diagrams of DPMS as well, and we are dealing with English vocabulary as well, coming towards this quantitative aptitude that we have. So in arithmetic ability, we have to cover up the numbers, SCF and LCF of numbers, decimal fraction, simplification, square roots and cube roots, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, stats and indices, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work. That is your VRN 15th topic. After completing that, we'll discuss about pipeline system, time and distance, problems on drain boards and streams, allocations of mixtures, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skills, calendar, clock, stocks and shares, permutations and combination, probability to discount, bankers discount, height and distance, Hartman out series. In data interpretation, we have to cover up the tabulations, bar graph, pie charts and line graph. So here we're gonna end up with thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on a comment box. Thank you.